Hey, what's going on, guys? Turtleworthy here, and today in this video we are going to be starting another mini-series, and this mini-series is going to be on staffs. So what do I mean by staffs? So by staffs I mean a tool which can shoot something and do stuff. So for example, in this one we're going to do the Large Fireball staff. So let's get started and you'll see what I mean. So first we need to declare it in item init. So we need to public static final final item, and then we need to call it large underscore fireball underscore staff equals new large fireball staff. Open these and put that on the end. In here we're going to call it large fireball staff as the registry name. And now we're going to create this class. So we need to put it in .objects.items.staff. So I've already created a new package for this. And we're going to implement iHasModel. There you go. And we're just going to add the constructor. Just fix the formatting. First we'll do register models, so that's tutorial mod tutorial mod tab, no, not tutorial mod tab, dot proxy dot register item renderer, this 0 and inventory. Then we're going to do this. So we're going to have string name, and we're going to have explosion size, and yeah. So in here we're going to want to set our unlocalized name to name. We're going to want to, and in fact, into and then we're going to want to set our registry name to name. Oh lord, what did I do there? We're going to set our creative tab tutorial mod tab. I'm going to add it to item init. I'm really bad at typing. See, when I'm recording, I'm really bad at typing, like awful. Dot add this, and just import item init, and that's all for this method. So then we're going to add another method, and we're going to call it, we're going to use on item right click, push that down, get rid of everything inside this. First we're going to do item stack item equals player in dot get held item in the hand in, and then we're going to do vec 3d look equals player in dot get look vec, and import vec 3d. Then you want to do entity large fireball, large fireball equals new entity large fireball, and then world in player in 1 1 1. Now these ones are the accelerations, and it's a double, so you probably should put 1D 1D 1D. Then we're going to do world in dot spawn entity large fireball, and in fact we're going to push that down because we're not going to have that yet. Then we're going to want to do large fireball dot set position, and we want to do player in dot pos x plus look dot x times 1.5d. Then we're going to do player in dot pos y plus aim dot y. Don't know why I called it aim, because it's look dot y times 1.5d. And for z, you guessed it, player in dot pos z plus look dot z times 1.5d. That all rhymed. Then you want to do large fireball, and you want to set the acceleration for all three, not large fireball. So to do that, you need to do acceleration x equals look dot x times should we make, now you can put this value as whatever you want really. Just bear in mind it will go fast if you put it as a high value. So I'm actually going to put mine as 7.0. Now obviously if you put it really high, it will go really fast, and that is just a little warning there. And just paste that twice, change it to XYZ, change it to XYZ. Obviously you can change these individually as well, that's fine, you can do that. And now we're going to have fireball, large fireball, large fireball dot explosion power. Oh, I put a capital L on large, that's not what we want to do. Large fireball dot explosion power is equal to explosion power. And in fact we need to take out this. Yeah, we need to copy this, put it out here, and we need to make this a public int explosion size, and then you can take it from there. And yeah, this needs to be size. Now I think if we remove this line, yeah, okay, don't remove that line, and then that will grab, yeah, that's all fine, that grabs it from there. Now you can do more things with the fireball. So if I look at large fireball dot, you can see all these different things. So you can set a different dimension for it. You can set the height. if it has no clip, if it's on the ground, obviously the positions, but we've already done that. Let's see, what else might you want? You can set the rotation if you wanted it to go in a different direction. You can set the width. That's pretty much all you can set. I mean, there's more stuff you can set here if you want. Set in web, set dead, set in fire, set the bounding box, set custom name. You can do all these things. Command stats, glowing. Should we set it as glowing? Yeah, let's set it glowing. And put true. I don't know what that'll do. It might be cool. Obviously, as well as that, you can obviously make a sound for it, but we're going to go over sounds in another episode in the future. So then finally, you want to return new action result of item stack, and then brackets. In here, you want to do enum action result dot success, comma item, and the item is obviously this item stack up here. Save that. Now, if we're going to item in it, you see it now allows us to set this. So, it's an int value. So, I'm going to put mine as 50. That's probably not a good idea. Wait, did we set the cooldown? We didn't set the cooldown. Let's set the cooldown. So, we can do player in dot get cooldown tracker cooldown tracker dot set cooldown, and you can do this. And for ticks in, so this is the amount of ticks you want it to call for. So I'm going to put 15 because that's half a second. You know what, let's just do 30 because that's one second. So it's not too overpowered. Obviously, you don't even have to have a cooldown if you want it to be super overpowered. But I think we will have a cooldown. Otherwise, it will be very, very overpowered. We've done that. So I've already done our lang. So if I go staff, I've got, actually I need to change this. I need to do large. And I'm going to change this to large fireball star. Then we need our item model. So once again, I need to rename this to large fireball star. And once again in here, large fireball staff. Now for all the texture, I've already made my texture. You can go ahead and make it. But I've just got to rename it large fireball staff. Actually, for the model, I forgot to mention, it needs to be handheld if it's a staff, because otherwise it will just look like a normal item. And that looks really weird, but if it's handheld, it's like a tool, so it looks like you're actually holding the staff, which is much better. Right, now let's run the game, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the game. Alright, so guys, I just got into the game, and we're just going to grab our staff, and right click, super fast. Now obviously, yeah, you can see that's hella fast. So, what we're going to do is we're going to turn mob griefing on. So game rule, mob griefing, true. Huh. It's not like I think I know the issue. So, what I tried to do didn't entirely work, and actually, I just figured out that's very obvious. Hold up. So, as you can see, what I tried to do, I didn't really think it would work, but as you can see, if you go into our staff and our item in it, I put it to 50 here. I don't think I can do that. No, I definitely can't do that. I don't know why I even attempted, because that's really obvious. But yeah, you can't have that. So I'm just going to set it to 50 here. It looks not... looks not... just forget what I was trying to say. I was going to say it looks a lot neater, but I can't speak apparently. Okay, so I'll see you guys back in the game. Alright, so guys, I just got into the game, and yeet. Oh good lord. Oh good lord. Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious me. If you spam this. Oh my god. 1 second. Oh no. Oh good lord. This is crazy. All of this. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.